My 5 top tips for improving the street appeal of your home. Number 1 would be to add a fence. A lovely picket fence always just frames the front of the house and really adds immediate street appeal. Make sure you have a really well-marked entrance. Paint your front door a bright colour, or maybe some stepping stones leading to your front door. Also look for some ways where you can add some cute little details. For example, here we've just used the number 7 written out in letters. Maybe also a cute door knocker as well. If you have some space on your front porch or near your front door as well, it's a great idea to add some furniture, even just a really small, cute little table setting. And finally, if you're able, try and add some decorative timber balustrading. Even if you don't need it for compliance reasons, balustrading really can dress up the front of your house.